Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Today the topic is communication. You know that the first purpose to get a job is communication, and and first first of all you have to communicate with the person and other person. First you have to a good communication skill. Therefore the topic is the communication, and in this topic we introduce about you communication, what the communication, definition of communication, what the meaning of communication, what is meant by communication. Etymologically, the word communication is the organized from a Latin word communes, which means something common. It's because through communication human beings intend to be common to one and other discussion commonly issue of life. The exact meaning of word is to share or to participate. It's mean the line mean that to share the knowledge that you know and you participate in the meetings and the work. And the definitions mean of communication who introduce about the communication is transfer of information from one person to another. It's whether or not it elicites confidence, but the information transferred must be understandable to the receiver. It means that communication does not mean to understand, but J.J. Brown. Communication is the intercourse by word, letter, or messages. Feder G. Maver. Communication is the intercourse by words, letters, or messages. Fred G. Mayer. Definition by Harold Lasswell, who say what in which channel to whom with what effect. Here the who is the speaker, they what is the message, the form refers to the receiver. The channel is the medium that passes message from source to destination, and the effect is the impact on the receiver about the message. Dictionary definition. Website dictionary defines communication as a process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a common study of symbols, sign, or behaviors. Also, techniques for experiencing idea effect in a speech or writing. I hope all you guys enjoy the video, and I hope that you will subscribe our channel and like the video, and for watch new coming video please press the bell icon, and Allah Hafiz.